Hey, I'm Susie and this is
Elliot.
And today we're going to make some salt dough, aka some homemade Play-Doh for this dude to play with and to make some little handy dandy crafts. So let's make it. Well, we're getting ready right now.
I just want to take a break.
You haven't even started.
I want to take a break for a little bit.
Do you just want me to do it?
Yeah, I just want
Salt dough is super easy to make and it's just 3 simple ingredients. We have flour, salt, and water. So we're gonna do 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and mix it together in the mixer. And then we'll slowly add in 1 cup of water. So let's do it. After the flour and salt has been mixed together, I'm going to add in 1 cup of water. I'm going to let it mix together about a minute or 2 to see how it shapes up. If it is too runny or too sticky, I'll add in more flour. If it's too thick, I'll add in more water. Now I just checked the consistency and I feel like it's pretty good, so I'm gonna let it knead for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's folding into a ball and it's starting to look like Play-Doh. Pretty cool, huh? Now if you wanted to make it color, which I'm sure you would like, we could add in a little bit of food coloring right now, but I'm out. So we get white, is that okay? Yeah? Not happy. You want to dance while it's working? No? Just me? You're done again? Bye! Welcome to my life, guys. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got a nice ball of salt dough. Not sticky, so if it was too sticky, I'd add in a little bit more flour. And it definitely feels like Play-Doh. So it's nice and smooth, which is the dough hook helps with that. Hey Dylan, look at this salt dough that I made. Pretty sweet, huh? Yeah. So yeah, now we can play with it, use it, and you guys can check out my, you're not gonna play with it?
No.
I'm gonna make you eat it. That gross?
Shut up, I just get salt.
Salty. Get down. All right, check out the other videos with some crafts to do with your salt dough, and we'll see you next time, friends. Bye.